Hey, today we got two cars. This is one of the collection from Priyansh. This is super slow black car and this is super fast blue car. Come on Priyansh, let's play.
Yes. Hey.
Hey.
My favorite color is blue.
Oh, that is why you are blue? Oh, I am black because I like red but still I am black. I don't know why.
Let's race.
Oh, before race, just let me tell you that I never win even a single race.
But we both have win.
Oh, how we both can win? At a time, only one car can win. And I never win any race.
Why?
I don't know. What about you?
I win.
You always win?
Yes.
Why is it so?
Because I am a super fast blue car.
Oh, that's so nice. Would you like to exchange your engine with me?
No.
Oh no, then how am I gonna win this race?
I will give you a super fast engine when we both of win.
Okay. I think but my engine is really old. What about you?
My engine is very new.
Oh, I see. Is it very costly?
No, it's free.
Oh.
My new engine is free.
Oh, that is so surprising.
And your engine is very costly.
Oh, but I'm still losing. You know, my engine is costly, but still I'm losing. I don't know why.
Because your engine is very old.
My engine is costly and old, and your engine is new
and free.
Oh wow, that's so amazing. Let's race then. Do you want to race?
Yes!
Okay, so this will be the race between a super slow car and super fast car. Are you ready?
Yes! I'm
okay.
a super.
Let me come to the racing track.
1, 2, 3, go!
Wait.
I win the race.
Oh no, I lose. I fall down.
Why?
Oh no, this car fall down.
Yeah. Come on, quick. Fix our track. Hey! I'm going to tell you something.
Yeah, tell me, what's that?
We are gonna play this race. We won battle. We both win.
Okay, so we are going to win this game. Okay,
We
two will win, but we'll go very slow. Okay.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Oh no, the road is broken.
Oh yeah, road is broken. What should we do now?
Go back again. Oh my God, how we race now?
I don't know. Let's do that some other day, okay?
Okay.
Let's call it a day. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. No, you come with my home.
Okay, I'll come at your home.
My home is F building.
And my home is G building.
Come on. My F building inside is a PJ Masks headquarters.
Bye-bye.